Hi guys, good to see you again. Today you will learn how to make and use the simple past tense. To make the positive or affirmative form, we need a subject, for example, I, and the past tense of a verb, for example, played.
I played. You played. He played. She played. It played. We played. You played. They played.
With regular verbs, the past tense is formed by adding ed at the end of a verb. For example,
Want, wanted. Call, called. Kick, kicked. Talk, talked.
but there are also a lot of irregular verbs in English, and the bad news is that you have to learn their past tense forms. Here are some examples.
Be was where. Buy, bought. Do, did. Make, made. Pay, paid. Speak, spoke. Think, thought. Understand, understood.
To make the negative form, we need a subject, did, not, and the infinitive form of a verb. For example, eat.
I did not eat. You did not eat. He did not eat. She did not eat. It did not eat. We did not eat. You did not eat. They did not eat.
It's not correct because in negative sentences we use the infinitive form of the main verb. Therefore, the correct sentence would be I did not play football with them. To make questions, we need did, a subject, and the infinitive form of a verb. For example, brush.
Did I brush my teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Did he brush his teeth? Did she brush her teeth? Did it brush its teeth? Did we brush our teeth? Did you brush your teeth? Did they brush their teeth?
And to make WH questions, we start questions with question words, such as what, when, or how.
When did I call you? How did you do it? Where did he go? Why did she shout? What did it say? Who did we say hello to? When did you move? What did they bake?
And now that you know how to make the past simple tense, let's talk about how to use it. We use this tense to talk about completed actions that happened once or repeatedly in the past. In this case, we can use it with time words such as yesterday, last year, in 1997.
I bought a car yesterday. He read this book last year. We went to France in 1997. They drove a lot while they were on holiday.
We use it to talk about consecutive actions, that is, actions that happened one after another in a short period of time.
I got up, brushed my teeth, had breakfast, and walked my dog.
We use the past simple tense to talk about things that were true for some time in the past.
They lived in Japan for 5 years. I really enjoyed working with Sue. I read a lot of books when I was a student.
We also use it to talk about past actions that started while other actions were ongoing.
I burned myself while I was cooking. I was talking to Maggie when you called me. They were driving their car when the accident happened.
Okay, let's move on to the exercise. Thanks for watching. Give this video a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel to be up to date with my English lessons. Have a great day and I'll see you next time. Bye!